It's not in there. Maybe maybe a little piece dropped. So just stand still. I think she caught the scent, but it's actually not in a container. It's on the vacuum, so she may not know what to do with it yet. There's another find. She'll find the other one. She'll come back. And just stand there. Bella. Out there. What do you think? There. Now we're starting to use our nose.
Bella. Go look. Go find it.
In there. In there.
Where is it?
This one may be too hard for her.
That's it. That's it.
There we go.
Oh.
What I give her credit for is she's actually going for the scent, not the food. Which is probably why she was having a hard time. I didn't think to leave this open for her. The hole is minuscule. So for a fresh dog, too fast. Walk her towards the yellow bag. There, go feed her.